guys, welcome to my Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. बोल ना कुछ तो. Welcome back to my channel. बोल. तेरा भी चैनल है.
Welcome back to my channel.
हाँ, इसका भी चैनल है, ठीक है. So what I was going to say, if you're watching my videos and if you subscribe to my channel, so hey fam, how are you? And yeah, if you're watching my videos and if you haven't subscribed yet, hey stalker, what you doing? Anyways, just kidding. Yesterday I put a story on Instagram that whether should I make a travel vlog or not, and boom, majority was yes, and even I got DMs saying you should make, we are waiting for it. So yeah, I'm going to make. In this vlog I don't know I'm going to do much bakwas like how much I used to do, but still I'll try my best to make it short, and whatever areas I'm going to visit, I don't know whether every area it is permitted to shoot, but if it is permitted, I will try my best to share it with you guys. Guys, we are in Delhi now. Yesterday we reached by like 12 by night. The flight was late by 1 hour. Now we are off to Taj Mahal. I'll probably show you whatever is possible for me. So let's go. Shah Jahan and Mumtaz master bedroom. It was very beautiful. Hey guys, the ground which I showed you in the last clip was actually a pond. Now why I'm sharing this, because it's a very cute love story between Shah Jahan and Mumtaz. During that time, there were two chairs on the left and right. Shah Jahan used to sit on the left and Mumtaz used to sit on the right, that is facing each other, and there was a pond in between them. The ground you see, that was a pond with many fishes, and there used to be a shooting competition between them both. Now in that competition, always Mumtaz used to win. Why? Because Shah Jahan used to see Mumtaz's reflection in the pond water, and henceforth he did not shoot. Can you imagine, guys, how crazy was it? He didn't shoot, and henceforth Mumtaz used to win. I found it like very cute and very crazy, so I'm sharing it with you guys. And one more thing, when you're visiting Agra Fort, please don't forget your tourist guide, and don't choose the local guides. They won't help you that much. Choose the authorized, government authorized guides. They can give you more information. So I hope you like this information. So tata. Honestly, there was nothing special in here, but it's a good place to sit and chill. So yeah. Lotus temple was closed from inside, but yet that last clip was its interior. It's a place like kind of meditation where you have to be completely silent and you have to go inside. It's like come and chill. So hey guys, the last clip you seen was of Akshardham. Now in that complete trip, actually the most loved place is Akshardham, but I'm really sorry I couldn't shoot anything because we are not allowed to take anything inside. Nothing is allowed, so I couldn't shoot. But please, if you're going to Delhi on a trip, don't miss out Akshardham. It is the most beautiful place to visit. And the highlight is the shows, especially the water shows. And if you're planning to watch water shows and you can only visit one time, then please choose like the time between 3 to 4, like 3 to 4 by afternoon you can go there. Otherwise you'll go very early and you'll miss out the water show, because the water show is like by 6:30 in the evening. There are many other shows you'll complete watching all other shows by 6:30, and by 6:30 you can watch the water show. So it's like a very beautiful place. Do visit, and I'm again really sorry I couldn't shoot because nothing was permitted inside. So please go there and visit, okay? In this whole trip, I was personally disappointed in the place where I was very excited about, and that is Mathura Gokul. If you guys know me, then you should know that I'm Radha Krishna Bhakt. I love them. I love the chemistry between them. So I was very excited about Mathura Gokul, especially Gokul, yeah. But I was clearly disappointed because that divine place where I wish I felt the presence of Krishna, that place was filled with business, completely business. It is filled with temples. It's true that there are many temples, lekin the temples are for business. Completely business. There is no you won't feel the presence of Krishna over there. Presence, leave it. You won't even feel peace over there. You won't get peace over that place. Can you imagine? So I was clearly disappointed by that place. If you're planning to go there, don't go. You will be disappointed. So guys, ignore the bags in the background. I am so lazy to move them. So finally this was a Delhi trip. I hope you loved it. अभी तो कुछ तो बोल, वीडियो खत्म हो गई है. क्या बोलूं? छोड़ दो, मेरे छोड़ दो. So this was our trip. It was a very memorable trip. I hope you guys loved it too. If you loved it, यार थोड़ा सपोर्ट कर दो, लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो, कमेंट भी कर दो, शेयर भी कर दो. चलो बोल गए, इसने सही बात बोल रही. So bye guys.